The other form of annuity that we look at is a regular deposit. Now in this case, the formula works very differently. We've got the following. T n plus 1 is equal to common ratio times the previous term plus the difference, which will be my deposit, where I define normally T0 as being $0. Now in this instance, the interest is 5.2 divided by 26 divided by 100. I end up with 0.002. And in this case, that means Tn plus 1, 1.002, lots of Tn plus the $50, and we're starting from scratch at 0. Setting up the calculator on the sequence mode, as we've done before, making sure that you're using the n plus 1a0 option and giving quite a few terms. We'll look at the columns that we generate, and you can see here up to 6 years, which is 156 terms. Scroll down a bit quicker. I end up with 9161.51. Now we can also do this using financial equations. Now, depending on where you are in the sequence in which your teacher's teaching the course, you may or may not have encountered them. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate it by the financial server. Now here, 156, 5.2, present value 0, coming out of her pocket at $50 a week, 26 per year, 26 compounded, begin. I get the future value figure of 9161.52, which within a cent is what we predicted earlier using the sequence. So you can actually do annuities in one of two different ways, and both are acceptable in tests or exams, albeit in assignments, and maybe the odd test you might be told to use a formula approach. Now, if instead the proprietor had started the savings from an initial deposit of $800, the difference equation remains the same. The starting term, however, is $800. And if we scroll through that, you end up with the 10254.10. Notice here I have to actually tab into that box to do it. As you did before, and providing you're familiar with the financial TVM solver, I can set this up in a very, very similar way. I enter the minus 800 because it's come out of the proprietor's pocket, and that will have grown to the 10254 in the same way. Please note, if you've covered the finance unit, there's also a formula way in which you can predict how much will be in that account at the same stage. And just recording those figures.